How to fix GCache Unlocked Bootloader for your protection. Step 1. Check if your bootloader is indeed unlocked. On Android, you can do this by rebooting into the fast mode. Your phone usually displays a warning if it's unlocked. Step 2. The most secure solution is to relock your bootloader if you no longer need the root. Use fast boot commands like fastboot OEM lock or the official relock tool from your device manufacturer. Step 3. If relocking is not possible, use Magisk with proper play integrity or safety net fixes to mask the unlocked bootloader status. And this lets your apps like Gcash think your phone is in a safe state. And then after that, step 4, running outdated firmware can also trigger security warnings. So, you should install the latest OTA update from your device manufacturer. Step 5, after securing your device, clear the Gcash app data and sign back in. You should now be able to send and receive money without the for your protection error. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.